Hello everyone, in today's video we will see how to run an engagement campaign. When you want to increase followers or likes on your Facebook page, then you need to run this engagement campaign. Okay, click on create, then select engagement. Here are the details of engagement campaign. Click on continue, then select manual engagement campaign. Click continue. First we need to give a name. I give a name, then select campaign budget. Here are two types of budget. I keep daily budget in $10. Then click on next. Here again a name will be given. I give my page name. Okay, conversion. You want to increase followers, likes on your Facebook page, then you need to run this campaign. So there will be Instagram or Facebook. I select it. Then select your Facebook page, budget and schedule, start date, and I just select end date 15 to it's 7 days. Okay, I select the date. You can custom the date. How long will you run the campaign? I will give the start and end date here. Then select the location where you want to run your ads. So then click advantage audience. Here you can customize the age as you like and customize the gender. Then detail targeting. We don't need any targeting for the engagement campaign because I want all kinds of people to like and comment on my post. Now click on next. Give a name, then create ad. Here you can select single image or video or carousel. I select single image or video. Then set up creative. Click and select image. Okay, I want this picture. Then click next. Primary text. I keep a primary text. Copy and paste. You can give many text here. Call to action. Paste it. You can use many text here. Call to action will be visit Facebook page because it's an engagement campaign. Then click on done. Okay, click on advanced preview and how it will look in people's feed, like it's a sponsored and story and reels. Okay, here is our engagement campaign for Facebook likes follows. When you click on publish, your campaign will run. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.